everybody, I'm Lego Separator, or ThLeSe for that matter, doing a sort of different kind of video today, sort of like a vlog, but with only my voice. So does that make it a slog? A vlog with only sound? Maybe? But anyway, the reason why I'm doing this video is that I want to share something that I came across while uploading one of my videos, and it came pretty annoying at first, but then later on I was like, that's an innovation. So welcome to ThLeSe Innovations. Might as well make a series out of it because who knows. So first of all, a little bit of story time. So I started out by trying to upload this video, which was a sort of play around with one of the sets that I showcased previously. But YouTube flagged up after finishing processing that I already uploaded this video for some reason. So my first thought about this was that YouTube's AI processing system, was getting mixed up with one of my previous videos, maybe one of the showcase videos. But then my mind was thinking, but I made a play around sketch on top of another review that I had done before. So what was going on here? So here is a screenshot that I took of 2 tries of me trying to upload this video saying processing abandoned. This file is a duplicate of a video that has already been uploaded. And yeah, you can see the very inspirational names that I gave my tests. But the reason why I did this was to test if this was just a fluke. Was it just YouTube being silly on its part? The AI systems not being famous for being specifically accurate. But I was wrong, because the robots were being pretty accurate. I checked later back in my filing system and found out that the file that I have labeled 002 was an exact copy of the very first one, for some odd reason. Now comes the innovative part. With the rise of computers and the computer age, people's lives have got pretty hectic. Well, I assume people's lives have got hectic with the rise of computers. Maybe we're actually all getting lazy and pretending to be the people in the Wall-E movie. But if I know anything, then at least my day-to-day life is pretty hectic, especially when I'm trying to find meaning out of these bits of text, which is not an easy task, and people generally make mistakes. For instance, like I'll go into autopilot mode and put on sandals when it's cold and rainy outside, because the previous day I put on sandals, so why not today? I was probably thinking about some weird programming bug or something like that, and that just happened to turn out this is what makes us human. And computers, yes, they have massive errors. I've heard the term, to err is to human. But to really screw things up, you need a computer. Yes, that is what's going on. However, computers are there. Automatic systems are there to make our lives a little bit more easier. Is that if I were to accidentally upload another video, like I did in this example, that I didn't notice that I was uploading, a video that I had already previously uploaded, the YouTube robot was like, oh, hey, you've already uploaded that video, so do you mind if you just not try that again? And I'm like, oh, darn it. Of course, I forgot that I already uploaded this, or that my filing system was just too rubbish to acknowledge that the videos got mixed up. So in this case scenario, imagine you go to the shops and you get yourself a pack of pasta, but because the pasta looks similar, the packaging of the pasta looks similar on the shop shelves, you accidentally get the gluten-free one. However, if you had a robot telling you, oh hey, that's the gluten-free pasta, are you sure you want to get that? Then you'll be like, oh hey, thank you there, I completely forgot. And what's more, anybody who's gonna try and scam YouTube by getting that sweet watch time with duplicate videos again and again and again is not going to succeed at all. So there's just a little update on something which I didn't encounter before, which I didn't expect to encounter before on YouTube. And all in all, I did manage to find the other file that was actually supposed to be uploaded, being this one. I had to go through my recycle bin to find it, but in any case, that's the end of our video. So, I hope to do more of this in the future. You probably have your own opinions on this as well. Remember, don't take my opinions for granted all the time. But anyway, until next time, salutations!